Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Asana for project management, you know templates are a real time saver. But what happens when your template needs a little update? Maybe you want to tweak the fields, rename steps, or just streamline the flow. In today's video, I'll walk you through a complete step-by-step guide on how to edit an Asana template in 2025. Stick around because once you learn this, managing your projects is going to feel a whole lot smoother. Let's get started. First, log into your Asana account. Head to the Asana website, type in your email, hit continue, and then enter your password to log in. Pretty straightforward. Once you're on your homepage, navigate to the project where the template lives. Remember, templates in Asana are project specific, so you need to be in the right workspace to make edits. Next, inside your chosen project, look for the Customize option. This is where all the tailoring magic happens. From there, click into Task Templates. You'll see a list of templates that belong to that project. Pick the one you want to adjust, then click on the three dots next to it and select Edit. Now comes the fun part, making changes. You can add or remove fields, rename tasks for clarity, adjust options, or even reorganize steps to better match how your team actually works. Essentially, you're in full control of shaping the template to fit your process. Once you're happy with your edits, hit Done to save everything. And just like that, your updated template is ready to go for future tasks. By following these steps, you can keep your Asana templates fresh and customized to match your evolving projects. It's a small tweak that makes a huge difference in keeping your workflow efficient. And that's it for today's guide on editing Asana templates in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more productivity tips, and check out the description for more guides and resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.